Which word means most nearly the same as nurturing? A. Sustaining. B. Subdued. C. Contributive. D. Tedious. Or E. Daft. As nurturing means caring for and encouraging growth, let's try and find the word whose meaning is closest to that. Subdued, tedious, and daft don't have anything to do with nurturing, and therefore all three can be marked off. Contributive, meaning giving to a communal fund, could be seen as similar, as one who contributes to a fund, in a way, nurtures it. However, we need to keep in mind that our question is asking which word is most nearly the same. With this in mind, we'd have to turn to sustaining. Although it can have several definitions, sustaining generally means keeping alive and well, which we can see reflected in our definition of nurturing. With this in mind, we can mark A, sustaining, as our final answer.